gangsters, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today will be a productive day for me, so I am bringing you guys along with me. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share all of my videos. Okay, let's jump right into what I am doing. I am currently on my lunch, writing out my dinner list, the things that I need to get from the grocery store that I'm going to be cooking for dinner tonight. So tonight I'm going to be cooking baked ziti, and I'm just writing out my list at work while I'm on my lunch because I had nothing else to do. So I said, let me plan ahead and make sure I get everything that I need. And needless to say, I didn't even pull this list out when I got to the grocery store. And I didn't even get most of the seasonings. I didn't get some of the seasonings I had. I think I just had Italian seasoning on there. But I forgot all about the list when I got to the grocery store. But this is what I did during my lunchtime at work today. And I wrote out my grocery list and things that I needed to cook dinner tonight. And y'all will see that later on in the vlog. And yeah, y'all.
Had it on my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone has your block up, I tell you from us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. I begun to take the long way home, so I can be alone.
It is dinner time, you guys. I have already browned my meat. I put some onions and some bell peppers, and I seasoned it with some all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, and some, I forget what the other seasoning was, but I will show y'all in this vlog what the seasoning is. But this is my water. I did half water and half chicken broth to boil my noodles in, to boil my noodles pretty much. And these are the seasonings that I use. I didn't use very many seasonings. I just used what I had because, again, I did not look at my list. So I pretty much just winged it and did whatever I wanted to do when it came to the seasoning. And I guess you guys can do the same. So that's what I did. And I'm going to drain the grease off, and then I'm going to start adding my tomato sauce, my ricotta cheese, and I did a little bit of sugar, and I seasoned it again once I put the tomato sauce, and I did some petite tomatoes, canned tomatoes. I did 1 can, and I re-seasoned it again a little bit with some more seasonings once I put the sauce in there. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my vlog, and I hope you keep watching.
With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Yeah, magic with the brick do voodoo. Court side with a bad bitch, then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the booze. He's on records, got back, on back, so my money making my back. Hey, you niggas got a low act rate. From the north, yeah, that way. No, cookie blunt in the ashtray. Two bitches, this national smash tray. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let the birds take a bath. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
Illusion.
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all all black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Foodie all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You go hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you sticky. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention, it was all for you. So don't advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so would you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but I don't want to fall in love off a step sweet, so let's get personal. I got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night. Then shit, the location, let's focus on communicating, cause we just need the time and place to come through. Send me the location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention. It was all for you. So don't take advantage. Don't leave my heart damaged. I understand that.